Welcome to SlowTalk English, the podcast that helps you learn English through calm, clear, and meaningful listening. I'm Daniel, and every week I'll guide you through powerful stories, ideas, and reflections, all in slow, natural English. No grammar lessons, no stress, just real language, real topics, and real progress. So take a deep breath, slow down, and let's begin. Donald John Trump is one of the most recognizable and controversial figures in modern American history. Born on June 14, 1946, in Queens, New York City, he was the fourth of five children in the Trump family. His father, Fred Trump, was a successful real estate developer who built and managed housing for middle-income families. From an early age, Donald was exposed to the world of real estate and business. He attended the New York Military Academy and later studied at Fordham University before transferring to the Wharton School at the University of Pennsylvania. After graduating in 1968 with a degree in economics, Trump joined the family business and began expanding its focus from residential housing to commercial real estate. During the 1980s and 1990s, Trump became a national celebrity known for bold real estate deals, a flashy lifestyle, and famous properties like Trump Tower in Manhattan. He also launched projects in Atlantic City, including several casinos. Trump cultivated an image as a confident, risk-taking businessman. In 1987, he published The Art of the Deal, which became a bestseller and shaped his public persona. In 2004, Trump entered the entertainment industry with the reality TV show The Apprentice. The show became a huge success, and his catchphrase, "You're fired," became iconic. The show helped cement Trump's identity as a powerful businessman and introduced him to millions of Americans who were unfamiliar with his business ventures. Despite several bankruptcies and legal challenges in his business career, Trump maintained a strong presence in the media. In 2015, he announced his candidacy for President of the United States as a Republican. His campaign featured populist themes, promises to build a border wall, and attacks on the political establishment. His style shocked traditional politicians and media outlets, but it resonated with many Americans. He won the Republican nomination and faced Democrat Hillary Clinton in the 2016 general election. Trump lost the popular vote but won the Electoral College, becoming the 45th president of the United States. His victory surprised much of the world and marked a major shift in American politics. As president, Trump pushed for major tax cuts, withdrew the U.S. from international agreements like the Paris Climate Accord and Iran nuclear deal, and implemented strict immigration policies. His America First approach reshaped U.S. foreign policy and led to a trade war with China. He also appointed 3 Supreme Court justices, shifting the court in a conservative direction. His presidency was filled with controversies. His use of Twitter, attacks on the media, and handling of the COVID-19 pandemic drew criticism. He was impeached twice by the House of Representatives, first in 2019 over dealings with Ukraine, and again in 2021 after the January 6 Capitol riot. In both cases, the Senate acquitted him. In the 2020 election, Trump lost to Democrat Joe Biden but refused to concede, falsely claiming widespread voter fraud. These claims fueled anger among his supporters and led to the violent storming of the U.S. Capitol. Trump's actions in the final weeks of his presidency caused deep divisions in the country. After leaving office, Trump remained a dominant force in American politics. He held rallies, endorsed candidates, and hinted at running again. In late 2023, he officially announced his campaign for the 2024 election. Against strong competition, he once again secured the Republican nomination. In a dramatic comeback, Trump won the 2024 election and returned to the White House in January 2025. His second term has already sparked new controversies. He reintroduced hardline immigration policies, exited more international agreements, and continued his confrontational style on social media and in public speeches. Supporters say he is delivering on promises and defending American interests. Critics warn that his leadership style threatens democratic institutions. As always, Trump remains at the center of debate, both in the US and around the world. Whether you support him or oppose him, his influence is undeniable, and his story continues. Thanks for listening. That was today's episode of Slow Talk English. Subscribe so you don't miss what's coming next. And remember, keep listening, keep growing,